Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. Today's episode, we are going to be talking about the Tarte Lifted Mascara. I'm excited for this one. So, a little bit about this mascara. You can get it at Sephora for $23, so it is a pricier mascara. Alright, what it is, it's a sporty, sweat-proof, brown-black mascara that volumizes and treats lashes. This waterproof mascara gives you an instant lift and volumizing boost while you sweat and swim. Okay, this is sweat-proof. Is it also waterproof? I mean, when you swim, so yeah, I would assume that's waterproof. Without smudging. Even after the toughest workout, your lashes will look lengthened and flirty for an effortless, no makeup look that lasts from gym to brunch. Waterproof formula, okay, is infused with replenishing Amazonian clay, antioxidant, vitamin C. Do you guys hear the girls yelling? Just ignore them. They're very crazy this morning. In smoothing, why am I doing this? In smoothing emollient waxes to help naturally soften and protect while promoting healthy, voluminous lashes. I'm super excited to try this mascara, so let's do it.
Woke up with another siren in my mind. I can't decide if I was dreaming or alive. There's something circling the water.
Okay, so my final thoughts on this mascara. It is very natural. I think this is a perfect... That's Sorella. I think this is a perfect mascara to use like if you're going to the gym, if you want to work out, if you want to have something on your lashes but you don't want to look too crazy because you're going to be at the gym sweating. It's very, very natural. I wish that it came in black though. This is in brown black and I can definitely notice a difference. Like it's definitely a lot lighter. This is a waterproof mascara. Waterproof mascaras kind of scare me. I don't like to use them. That's why I didn't put it on my bottom lashes. I just put it on my top lashes. But yeah, this is a great mascara for someone that just wants a natural look, wants something that's gonna last, but doesn't want to look too done up. I don't know if I would pay $23 for this mascara. I wish this was like drugstore price, but obviously it's Tarte. It's not gonna be drugstore price. I think I need to get out of the mindset that every mascara is gonna make my lashes look glam and fabulous, because I mean that's really not the point of this mascara. The main point of this mascara is for it to just stay in place, you know? So I feel like I need to get out of that mindset. Okay, it's gone. All right, so that is it for this episode of Mascara Monday. As always, if there is a mascara you want to see featured on this series, just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.